Have you ever felt an uncontrollable urge to consume something, even when you know it's harmful to you? This is called addiction, and it's rooted in complex mechanisms within your brain. It all begins with the brain's reward system, located in a region called the limbic system. When you consume an addictive substance like nicotine, alcohol, or even fast-acting sugars, it triggers neurons to release a large amount of dopamine, the neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and motivation. This surge creates an intense feeling of reward. However, the brain doesn't like excess. When it's flooded with dopamine repeatedly, it adapts by reducing the number or sensitivity of dopamine receptors. This is known as tolerance. You then need to consume more to achieve the same level of pleasure. But that's not all. Addiction also involves other brain regions, such as the prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and impulse control. Over time, neural connections in this area weaken, making it harder to resist cravings. Meanwhile, the amygdala, the part of the brain linked to stress and emotional memory, amplifies these cravings even further. At the same time, stopping the substance leads to a sharp drop in dopamine, causing withdrawal symptoms like irritability, anxiety, and extreme fatigue. These unpleasant sensations further fuel the cycle of addiction, as the brain seeks to avoid discomfort by returning to the substance. Addiction is, therefore, a profound reorganization of the brain's circuits. It transforms pleasure into a need and then into an obsession. Fortunately, thanks to neuroplasticity, these changes can be reversed with appropriate treatments, behavioral therapies, cognitive retraining, and sometimes medications that help rebalance neurotransmitters. Addiction is not a weakness. It's a chemical and neurological disease that deserves understanding and support.